If you're watching this video, it's because you want to grow your sales pipeline. There's a chance that there's you or maybe a handful of you who are subject matter experts who can afford to sit with a prospect and have that enlightening conversation of understanding what their needs are. But scaling that is just not feasible. Not only as you increase your headcount, go through training, and with it, probably also adding the disadvantages of adding bias into the process. No matter how much expertise your new consultants have, either in that very same vertical or in that very same subject matter, there will always be bias. So let's step away from that one option and let's go into the second one. Start working with assessments. Now, just as we all go every now and then to the hairdresser, no person is going to give you a haircut without listening what you want to do first, what your needs are. And that's how we can see assessments in this scenario. The great thing about online assessments is that they will allow the prospect to take time, whether because you do it in the same place with them, doing a meeting, or because they do it remotely, to just submit their answers. So they give you enough information for you to tailor your advice. So you can put together a proposal or a solution that works for them according to their needs.